The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Our Future 35. Our Future 35, Austin's Cap and Stitch Fall Open House, is coming up on September 28th from 10 to 2 at Canopy Austin. Michelle Marks, City of Austin Strategic Projects Manager, is here to talk to us more about it. Michelle, let's remind everybody, what does Our Future 35 entail?
Yeah, Our Future 35 is a City of Austin initiative in conjunction with TxDOT's project in Central Austin to sync the freeway. The city is working with the TxDOT project to provide caps or decks over the newly sunken freeway that will effectively recreate our city over on top of the freeway itself.
Yeah, it's a crazy concept when you just hear it. When you see the mock-ups, though, you can really get a good idea of what things are looking like. So, of course, I always encourage people to check out your website. Let's talk about the goals of the project. What are you hoping to achieve by doing this?
Yeah, the goals really are to reimagine this space that runs through the middle of our city, through the core of our city, and re-envision some of this space over the highway to really serve the needs of our residents of the city of Austin. Right now, I-35 has been in effect a dividing line for much of its history. And so with this opportunity, we have a chance to connect over the freeway and connect both sides of the freeway with new city blocks, new parks, new pedestrian and bicycle connections, new public amenities on top of that freeway space.
And a good way to connect the city together.
Absolutely.
To your point. Okay, y'all have an open house coming up. There's a lot going on at that open house. So let's just talk about what people are going to experience when they walk in the door.
Yeah, we're going to have activities for kids, so it'll be a full family affair. We'll have refreshments, and then of course be sharing some of the important, milestones with the public for feedback and input at this important moment for us. We've been out gathering community input over the length of the summer.
It's all a couple years down the road. Why should people get invested and involved now?
Sure, you're right. This will be a years-long process, potentially as much as a decade. But the work that we're doing now is really laying the foundation for how these caps will be designed over the coming years. So it's really important that we get as much public input at this moment as we can.
Important updates today, Michelle. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Stop by the free open house on September 28th or learn more online right now at ourfuture35.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Our Future 35.